Hey, what's up, guys? Today, Android guy is back, and guys, today I am going to hack mini militia. So, guys, let's download our mini militia from Play Store. So, let's install it. So, guys, if you have watched my video that can we hack mini militia by using lucky patcher, then you know that we cannot hack mini militia using lucky patcher, but I have hacked from its file that we can go through walls and we can have unlimited ammo, unlimited nitro, and unlimited 99 points, and American shield. So guys, I have added an interesting audio also, and if you are playing it normal version, then you are thinking that it is boring song in it. So guys, you don't feel like boring to play this mini militia. So I have added that song. It is from Dishum, and most of you have listened this song. This song name is if you have guys listened that song, So Tara Ke Rog Le Lu, then it is a fantastic song in my hack. But first we will have to download this Doodle Army 2 non-hacked APK. So guys, half 55% I have downloaded it. So guys, it has been installed. So now we will play it, and before playing it, I will show that it is non-hacked. It has no unlimited nitro, no reload. It has reload and no unlimited ammo. So let's start the game. The boring song will appear.
Come on, boy. Let's go, yeah. Ready up. No.
So let's start our game. It is reloading. Guys, it was too boring game and we are just dying and dying and dying. So let's install our hacked application. And if you are new, then you are thinking that you have hacked, but don't have any hacked. So I have given the link in the description that my hack about my hacked application, where it is in. So guys, it is installing our mini militia Android guy version. So guys, you are thinking that I have renamed the application, changed the icon. So how I did it without any laptop or any computer or any PC. So guys, I will show it in our next video, and I will show you that about developer options. Yes, how to enable developer option, and how to many advantages of developer option also. So guys, as you can see here, I have downloaded or installed my mini militia. So let's start our game. Very interesting song.
अमेजोन पे मिलते हैं 8 करोड़ से ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स ताकि
Lock and load, cadet. Mechadoodle has control of all robot units. Stick with me. This could get ugly.
So guys, as you have seen, I have unlimited nitro, unlimited ammo, and from starting I have AK-47. And in Gujarati we used to say that once that bomb kacharyu. Yes, kacharyu. So we have bomb kacharyu, and we can go through walls, unlimited zoom, and 99 points as I have told you. So thank you guys for watching this video. And guys, I have good news that I have hacked WCC2 all trophies and all overs. Yes, I have hacked it, and I have hacked Shadow Fight 2 also. I have seen many videos about Shadow Fight 2, how to hack Shadow Fight 2 in rooted device, and I have tried that in my rooted device, but it works, and I am now trying to hack it without root, and I am succeed. So in my three next video will be on developer option, second will be on Shadow Fight 2 hack, and third will be on WCC 2 hack. So please guys, like my channel, subscribe me, and you will get all updates of my videos. Thank you guys, have a nice day.